Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your call failed on your iPhone. So first of all, it might be the issue with your network, so make sure that you are having a good network connection. So after making sure that, and if it's still not working, it might be the issue with your SIM card. So make sure that your SIM card is working or else you'll have to call to the authorized cellular center. Then you can simply try to reinsert your SIM card, simply take it out and reinsert it and see if it's working. So even after doing that, if it's still not working, then you can simply try to turn on your airplane mode. So simply swipe down through the control panel of your phone and then tap on this airplane icon right here and then turn it on. Wait for a few minutes and tap on it and turn it off again. So after doing that, your network will be resetted like that and try to see if it's working or not. And if it's still not working, then open your phone application and get to the keypad section just like this and then start dialing asterisk hash 31 hash. So after dialing that, simply tap on dial and dial this number. So after doing that, here you can see setting interrogation succeeded, calling line ID restriction disable. So after doing that, tap on dismiss and try to make a call. And if it's still failing, then you can try to simply get to the settings, and from your settings tap on cellular right here, and after tapping on cellular, tap on cellular data options, and from here tap on voice and data. So after doing that, make sure you are on the 5G auto or 5G on just like this. So after doing that, you can go back and then get to the cellular settings one more time and then tap on network selection. And just like this, automatic should be turned on. And after doing that, you can go back and try to make a call. And if it still failed, then you can try to reset your network settings. So get to the main settings, and from your main settings, tap on general. And from here, scroll all the way down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So after doing that, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. So after doing that, here you'll have to enter your phone's passcode. And then you'll have to tap on reset network settings one more time. And like that, your phone will be restarted and your networks will all be resetted. So even after doing all that, if it's still not working for you guys, then it might be the issue with your hardware. So make sure to contact your nearby Apple support and try to fix it that way. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.